Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed some problems on trigonometry, some basic problems. Today also, we will discuss some problems. The problem number 11. The problem number 11. 11 is what? If secant theta is equal to 13 by 12, secant theta is equal to 13 by 12 and 0 less than theta less than 90 degree, 0 less than theta less than 90 degree, find 2 sin theta, minus 3 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. They given the secant theta is 13 by 12 and theta lies in between 0 and 90 degree. Means what? Theta is in first quadrant. We have to find the value of 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay. This solution is they given that secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. So secant theta is 13 by 12 means what? It is by right angle triangle. Secant theta is what? By right angle triangle. Secant theta is what? Adjacent by. Secant theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Secant theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Okay. So secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. So secant theta is what? By right angle triangle, hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Okay. So here 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144. 169 minus 144 is 25. So 25, root 25 is 5. Therefore, the opposite side is 5. Okay. So next we have to write the value of sin theta. Okay. Sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. That is 5 by 13. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. That is 12 by 13. Okay. Next. So they give us, we have to find the value of 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta, which is equal to 2 into what is the value of sin theta? 5 by 13 minus 3 into what is the value of cos theta? 12 by 13 whole divided by 3 into what is the value of sin theta here? 5 by 13 plus 2 into what is the value of cos theta? 12 by 13. Okay. So next we have to simplify this. 2 into 5, which is equal to 10 by 13 minus 3 into 12 by 13. That is minus 36 by 13 whole divided by 3 into 5, 15 by 13 plus 2 into 12, 24 by 13. Okay. So 10 minus 36, LCM is 30. 10 minus 36 is minus 26 by 13. Here also LCM is 13. So 15 plus 24 is 39. 39 by 13. Denominators 13 get cancels. Minus 29, 26 by 39. So 32s are, 33s are. So answer is minus 2 by 3. So our answer is minus 2 by 3. Okay. Next, problem number 12. They given that if cot theta is equal to 5 by 2, cot theta is equal to 5 by 2 and theta is acute. Theta is acute means what? It is in first quadrant, lies in between 0 and 90 degree. Show show that 5 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 5 cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 29 by 21. So we have to show that 5 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 5 cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 29 by 21. Okay. Solution is cot theta is equal to 5 by 2. What is cot theta? Cot theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent by opposite. Cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. So by right angle triangle, so cot theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. It is a triangle ABC. Adjacent side is 5. So opposite side is 2. Adjacent side is 5. Opposite side is 2. So we have to find the value of hypotenuse. That is AB. So 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4. 25 plus 4 is 29. Therefore, AB becomes root 29. The value of hypotenuse is root 29. Okay. So from this right angle triangle, we write the value of cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? Cos theta means what? That is adjacent by hypotenuse. That is 5 by root 29. Next we have to write the value of sin theta. Sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. That is 2 divided by root 29. Okay. So next we have to take LHS. So LHS is what? LHS is 5 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 5 cos theta minus 2 sin theta. Okay, so this is our LHS. For this LHS, we have to show RHS is 29 by 21. Okay, 5 into cos theta. 5 into, what is the value of cos theta? 5 divided by root 29. 5 divided by root 29 plus 2 into, what is the value of sin theta? Sin theta value is 2 divided by root 29 whole divided by 5 into, what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is 5 divided by root 29 minus, what is the value of sin theta? 2 divided by root 29. So 2 into 2 divided by root 29. Okay. So in next step we solve this. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 divided by root 29 plus 2 into 2 4 divided by root 29 whole divided by 5 into 5 is 25. 25 divided by root 29 minus 2 into 2 4 divided by root 29. So in numerator, root 29 is LCM. Root 29 is LCM. 25 plus 4 is 29 whole divided by, here denominator also root 29 is LCM. 25 minus 4 is 21. So denominator root 29 get cancelled. So our final answer is 29 by 21. So which is equal to RHS. Okay. Next, problem number 30. Problem number 30. If secant A is equal to 13 by 5. If secant A is equal to 13 by 5 and A is acute find the value of find the value of 2 sin A minus 3 cos A, 2 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 9 cos A, Okay, here they given that the secant A is equal to 13 by 5 and A is acute. Acute means A lies in first quadrant. Find the value of 2 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 9 cos A. Okay, so for this solution is secant A is equal to 13 by 5. What is secant A? Secant A means hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Secant A means hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. By taking a right angle triangle, that is ABC, this is theta, here it is 90 degree. Secant A means hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So hypotenuse is AB, that is 13. Adjacent side is 5. Okay, so 13, 5. So we have to find opposite side. 13 square, 169. 5 square, 25. That 169 minus 25 is 144. Root 144 is 12. Therefore, opposite side AC is 12. Okay, so next we have to write sin A and cos A. Okay, sin A means what? Opposite by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13. Cos A is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. Okay, so next we have to find the value of 2 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 9 cos A. 4 sin A minus 9 cos A. Okay, so here 2 into the value of sin A is 12 by 13 minus 3 into the value of cos A is 5 by 13. The value of cos A is 5 by 13 whole divided by 4 into the value of sin A is 12 by 13 minus 9 into the value of cos A is how much? 5 by 13. 5 by 13. So the next step is 2 into 12 by 13, that is 24 by 13 minus 3 into 5 by 13, that is 15 by 13 whole divided by 4 into 12 by 13, that is 48 by 13 minus 9 into 5 by 13, 9 into 5, 45 divided by 13. Okay, so 24 here in numerator LCM is 13. 24 minus 15 is 9. Okay, whole divided by, so here also 13 is LCM. 48 minus 45 is 3. So denominator 13 get cancelled. Finally we get 9 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So the answer is 3. Okay, so our answer is 3. So next problem, if sin theta is equal to, problem number 14, if sin theta is equal to 4 by 5, sin theta is equal to 4 by 5, theta being an acute angle, find the value of 2 tan theta plus 3 secant theta, 2 tan theta plus 3 secant theta plus 4 secant theta into cosecant theta. So the given the Sin theta is 4 by 5. We have to find the value of 2 tan theta plus 3 secant theta plus 4 secant theta into cosecant theta. So for this, solution is given that sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. For this also we have to take a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, here AC is 4, AB is 5. So this BC we have to find, that is adjacent side. 5 square minus 4 square. 5 square is 25 minus 4 square is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. So root 9 is 3. Therefore the value of BC is 3. Okay, for our problem, first we have to write tan theta. Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. That is 4 by 3. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. That is 4 by 3. Secant theta. Secant theta is what? Secant theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. That is 5 by 3. Next, cosecant theta is what? Cosecant theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite. That is 5 by 4. Okay. So next we consider 2 tan theta plus 3 secant theta plus 4 secant theta into cosecant theta. 4 secant theta into cosecant theta. So which is equal to 2 into, what is the value of tan theta? 4 by 3 plus 3 into, what is the value of secant theta? 5 by 3 plus 4 into, what is the value of secant theta? 5 by 3. What is the value of cosecant theta? 5 by 4. Okay, so here 2 into 4, 8 by 3 plus 3 into 5, 15 by 3. Okay, plus 4. Here 4 get cancelled. 4 get cancelled. 5 into 5, 25 by 3. 25 by 3. Okay, so next here 8 plus 15 plus 25. T is LCM. 8 plus 15 is 23. 23 plus 25 is 48. So 48 by 3. 3 ones are 3 16s are. So answer is 16. So 48 by 3 we get 16. So next problem number 15. Problem number 15. They given that sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. We have to prove that tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. Tan theta plus 1 by cos theta is equal to 2. Is equal to 2 if theta is an acute angle. Theta is an acute angle. Okay, so here we have to prove that given that sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, we have to prove that tan theta plus 1 by cos theta is equal to 2. Okay, so what is sin theta? Sin theta is 3 by 5. Sin theta means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. By taking an right angle triangle, that is ABC. So sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So AC is 3, AB is 5. We have to find the value of BC. Okay, so AB square. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Okay, AB square is 5 square, that is 25, is equal to BC square. AC square is 3 square. 3 square means 9. So BC square is equal to 25 minus 9. Okay, BC square is equal to 16. So which implies BC is equal to 4. Which implies BC is equal to 4. Therefore, the adjacent side is 4. Okay. So next we have to write the value of tan theta. Tan theta means what? Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. That is 3 by 4. Opposite by adjacent. Next we have to write the value of cos theta. Cos theta is what? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. That is 4 by 5. Okay. Next we take LHS. What is LHS? So LHS is equal to tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. LHS is what? Tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. So tan theta is how much? 3 by 4 plus 1 divided by cos theta is how much? 4 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5. Numerator equal to 5 by 4. So therefore 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 we get. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Here 4 is LCM. 4 is LCM. You get 3 plus 5. You get 3 plus 5 in numerator. That is 8 by 4. It is 8 by 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. Therefore answer is 2, which is equal to RHS. So finally we get the answer